Good morning, second graders. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Let's take a look at our schedule for today. Today to start, we have Daily Language Review, week 34. You're going to read the trees passage, have your lunch and recess for 60 minutes. Math 180, day 148, you're going to watch that brain pop video. Please make sure you're doing it in your dashboard so that I can see it. I think some of you are watching it but not doing it in the assignment that I created, so it's not recording it. Measurement perimeter is the video you're going to watch, and then you're going to take that hard quiz. Create a map for the person in your house, give them step-by-step directions, and see if they can find a treasure you hid. Life is just a mirror, and what you see out there, you must first see inside of yourself. Language review, you're going to correct those sentences. Then you're going to find the verbs in this sentence. A verb is a person, not a person. A verb is something that you do, so jump, skip, etc. What word is missing? Read the sentence, figure out which one is missing in the sentence, and then correct the sentence, or correct the address. You're going to find your trees comprehension passage, should be the next one that you are doing, and you're going to complete that. Math 180, you're circling half of the balloons, solving 43 plus 55, 44 minus 23, filling in the missing. Can the object stack? You're looking at this object down here. Circle the object that is shorter than 1 meter. The toy store owner would like to sell 15 trains every week. Did he meet his goal for last week? Add up all those trains. Each train equals 1 train. Then Christy has a sticker collection with 23 glitter stickers, 56 puppy stickers, and 14 scratch and sniff stickers. She gets 16 more glitter stickers. How many glitter stickers will she have in all? In perimeter, my joke for today. What did Arius say to perimeter while arguing? I'm just trying to talk to you, but I feel like you're just going around my problem. Brain pop video and hard quiz to do. Science, you're doing that treasure map, making a map for someone. Make good directions, not just straight left, right. Make sure you have a key. You have the north, south, east, west, and you're using those words. We're halfway there. It is hump day. Look for the next video for your grading of math and reading.